Tarot Clairvoyance Predictions for the month of September 2024. I deliberately use simple and direct language to explain the interpretations of the tarot cards. The main cards drawn during the tarot draw are the House of God. It represents sudden and unexpected changes. The Moon. It symbolizes uncertainty, illusions, and nightmares. The Hanged Man. It represents blockages, challenges, and the need to free oneself. The Lovers. They represent the choices to be made and new encounters. The Devil. It represents temptations, obstacles, and negative forces. Summary of the main predictions. A month of sudden and unexpected changes. The month of September 2024 will be marked by major upheavals and surprises. The exploding tower in the Tarot of Marseille symbolizes a radical break with the past, leading to rapid and often unforeseen changes. Need to adapt and remain vigilant. These rapid changes will require a great capacity for adaptation. The videographer warns against rushing and encourages vigilance in the face of opportunities that will arise. A mix of emotions and uncertainties. The cards reveal a range of complex emotions, ranging from excitement to anxiety. Uncertainty will be omnipresent, particularly due to the lack of visibility on the future. Importance of decision-making. The Lovers appearing in the draw underline the importance of the choices to be made. However, these choices will be difficult to make due to the many unknowns. The role of intuition and wisdom. To navigate this period of transition, it will be essential to trust your intuition and exercise wisdom. The videographer encourages you to take a step back and observe events with lucidity. Practical advice. Stay informed. The videographer invites viewers to consult his weekly astrological guidance for more personalized information. Share the experience. He encourages you to share the video and subscribe to his channel to follow his next predictions. Conclusion. September 2024 promises to be a period rich in developments, but also in challenges. It will be important to remain flexible, to exercise discernment, and to seize the opportunities that will arise. The videographer concludes on a positive note, emphasizing that these changes, although disruptive, can open up new perspectives. He points to remember rapid and unexpected changes, need to adapt, importance of choices, role of intuition and wisdom, vigilance in the face of opportunities and pitfalls. Please like and share this video as well as subscribe to the channel if you enjoyed this draw. Kind regards, Christoph.